How to use SUMIF formula in Excel? I have my set of inventory here and I want to pull up total sales by region and sales representative. First of all, we will define the names of all the ranges to avoid selecting again and again during the SUMIF formula. Select range of region, go to the formula bar and write region in this name box. Similarly for sales representative range, name is sales REP. For sales, my range name will be sales. Now type SUMIF, open parentheses, for range argument, write region. As soon as we write region, it will select the range automatically because we already defined this range's name in formula bar. Comma, for criteria, select this cell. For sum range criteria, write sales to pick the range of sum field. Close parentheses and hit enter. Now it shows zero value because nothing is in the region cell. If I type in West, it will give me total sales done in the West region. Similarly, we can apply this formula to calculate the sales by sales representative. Type SUMIF, open parentheses, my range is sales REP, criteria this cell, and sum range is my sales range. Close parentheses and hit enter. Now it will give us total sales by sales representative. But what if I want to calculate total sales by sales representatives in different regions? Well, for this condition, I will use SUMIF's function because it is required with more than one criteria to calculate the total sales by region as well as by sales representative. So type SUMIFs. Open parentheses, for sum range, we will provide the range of our sales field. This field was already defined as sales name. So sales, comma, in criteria range 1, we will put the region criteria, comma, for criteria 1 we will select this cell for region. Comma, in criteria range 2, we will put the sales representative criteria, comma, for criteria 2 we will select this cell for sales representative. Close parentheses and hit enter. Now it shows zero value because nothing is in the region and sales rep fields. If I write West in region and Giji in sales rep column, it will give us total sales done by Giji in West region. Hope you understood the power of define names and SUMIF functions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more in very short videos.